What's up? Welcome to a new video. Yes, I'm walking. Why am I walking? And it is just bucketed down. We had a massive storm just then. Old mate's Ramy said my new car is ready to come and collect, and he lives about 15 houses up the road. So I thought I'd go for a nice little brisk walk. Beanie jackets, all the stuff. Hopefully I don't get wet on the way there. Bought this car, I haven't even driven it. Let's go check out my new drift beast. Getting closer. Ooh. 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 Looks like a VT clubby. Stop it. It's all locked and loaded, ready. Amazing. Let's go throw over some cash. Cash, and here's my new car. Amazing. Just done her first skid, got her bogged. Well, picking the car up, all the transaction went quite smoothly, but I can't get out of his driveway. She bogged. First wheels spun. I haven't even owned it 20 seconds. Back me new clubby up too to tow it out. Beautiful. Where to whack it onto. Oh yeah. Oh, she had an old tow bar. Just don't want to get yours back too far so we don't get yours bogged.
Yeah, I think I'll go and see if I can get something else.
Yep. Yep. Broke the shackle. Yep. All right, take the slack. Yep. Resume position. Take 3. Righto. And we're out. Oh, Jesus, he's still pulling me. Fun and games. Thank God it wasn't pissing rain like it was 20 minutes ago. Thank you, legend. That was a bit of fun. All right, now you enjoy your afternoon. I'm going to watch the... Don't take your letterbox out. Thanks, John. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'll run into the front of the boat. We'll get this thing and go for a ride. Alrighty, I can't see out the windscreen because I'm all fogged up. But the heater is working and it's amazing. We do have a bit of disc rub on the back. It's driving alright. Be nice if I could see out the windscreen. Hopefully that'll clear up in a sec. This is going to be drifting a luxury with the heater on. Oof. Spicy. I don't know how I can see out of the camera screen better than the actual windscreen. Alright, let's go. Oh, whoa! Did you hear that? Started frying the tyres. Alright, brakes work. Alright, we'll try again. Oh, what a powerhouse. In love. What a bloody weapon. Amazing. Look, she's a one owner, mint condition. Ah, spinning wheels all day, mate. Got this. This is an absolute gem. For the money I paid for it. Oof. This is a freaking weapon. I know it's wet and it's spinning the wheels, but bloody happy. Bloody happy. She's filthy. Absolute filth written. Give it a Mackie clean. Got her home now, so that's good. She's even got bloody power windows, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, that sounds amazing. She is a filth bomb. This heater, oof! What a gem. This is our new car. And its name is... Are you kidding?
Whose car was it?
It's our new drift car.
Whose car was it?
John's car. What do you think?
John and Beck.
No, not John and Beck. Do you think it's cool?
Yeah. I wanted one of them.
You really wanted it? You want an AU Falcon? Of course you do. Everyone wants an AU Falcon. Now we got one. Do you like it?
How much money was it?
Not much.
Nothing.
It was a good price.
$5.
Yeah, about $7. Grab your shoes on. Come see how disgusting it is.
Well, what?
Mum's not thrilled about it. Ryder's just ran in. I've just heard him. Mum, we got a new car. She's like, where's that gonna go? Where's that parking? Never mind about that. We need a new drift car. We got this. What do you reckon? Stand back. You jump in and have a look. Do you like? Are you kidding? All the rubbish. Yeah, we're gonna give it a clean now, bud.
And there's some of the toys in here that he has.
Yeah. They're tools, not toys.
I didn't want to see
Yeah. Ugh.
Rubbish.
Careful, we don't know what has been floating around in this car. Oof.
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Nothing.
Rubbish.
Nothing in here.
Oof.
Look.
Nothing in there. That's where all these fags would have been.
It was Ollie's car.
It's not Ollie's car. What's this? Bloody air vent. Better clean it, eh?
Yeah.
It's filthy.
Changing the back one.
We're going to change the back wheels.
Yeah.
You don't like the back wheels?
No.
Oh, oh, look at that.
So dirty.
So dirty. What do you think, Hotshot?
Spider right there.
Spider right there. Yeah, he's alright. He's a friend. He's got this.
I can see 6 of them right there.
6 spiders. Oh, we're going to have to burn it to the ground then. It's amazing.
I need to get everything clean.
We've got to clean it up. We've got to give it a good clean.
Yeah, so it's not there. Make it go.
Alright, I'll get the gurney.
Looks like Wasabi's one of these.
No, wasabi is definitely not one of these.
Where are we going to put this?
Don't be like your mum. We'll find a spot for it under the carport.
He is his
You're definitely your mother's son.
What We need to get X-ray out and put Wasabi where X-ray was. And put this one in. No, definitely not happening. This it. In Wasabi.
Put this in Wasabi shed.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mum does want to get rid of X-ray, and she's pretty thrilled about this beast too.
Look how good that is.
Yeah, well, I had her bogged, mate. We had to bloody skull drag it out of his front yard.
Was there mud all over there?
No. Come on, we'll get the gurney. We'll give it a clean. You pull the hose out for Dad.
Yeah.
Hello, Drift Ape.
Hi.
Hello, Tam.
Hi.
Everyone knows these people. They're my friends who have got 300 kilowatt dailies. They are amazing. I clickbaited you with saying that I was buying a red VT clubby, and you're like, coming right now.
The only reason why I'm here.
What is wrong with Are You Kidding?
Well, nothing. I like a good AU.
It is
Are you kidding?
AU, not Are You, AU Kidding.
AU kidding? No, you ain't kidding.
No. If I get the other one, it's going to be Are You Joking?
Are you joking?
Jeepers. Well, I'll see you when we commence chats. Jace, Tam and Ollie have just rocked up. I've just sort of half hit the car with the gurney and I've noticed how clean it's coming up, but I thought I'll show you how filthy it actually is. With all the mud and grime just sitting on the insides. So you can see the comparison when I've actually given it a clean. Spider webs, Ian moss hanging everywhere. She's a bloody gem. Jace is pretty bloody excited.
I'm excited.
He's been here 5 minutes going, you got a welder here, yeah? It's like, yeah, I've got a spool in the back shed. He goes, yeah, but you got a welder, that's heaps easier. We bloody got this. We'll be at Friday Night Drifts. Matt Suri even. Yeah, she's a bloody gem, mate. Pretty happy with her. Now that my kid's rocking up. What do you think, Sean? I know it's cold. Is that why you're shivering? Really? So I've got Jason, who's absolutely... Oh, mate, that's structural. Yeah. Oh! Go.
What a car.
It was clicking.
No, it's the petrol one.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Oh, it's the petrol. Well, that...
Hi, Ollie. Come leave.
Come on, mate. What do you think? Honestly.
It's good. It looks like a great purchase.
Hey, we got a boot pop. He's not happy. Not happy. Oh, there's bloody boot strut. Have a look at that.
Oh, yeah,
She's an absolute fucking perler.
Yeah, mate.
I'll get a prop. Oh, mate, that's less than Harry. Yeah, it's beautiful, mate.
True. Harry's got a few little holes.
Free dressing gown.
Fresh. There you go. Boot.
Found the boot release.
She's a bitch to get to.
Yeah,
How many dollars above zero was it?
Have a guess.
I want to say you told them you'd take the scrap for them.
Yep. And paid some cash.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Oh, everyone's rocking up.
What do you think?
He's rung everyone. Hey.
No, everyone rang me.
Is that what your poll was on Instagram?
Everyone said AU.
Yeah.
$100?
Look at this guy. Bloody hell. All the kids are here. How much?
100?
No, there's a few more than that.
Oh, gas tank's in date.
Oh, mate.
Take it for Richard.
Hello, gorgeous. Oh, God, this is like... These are like gold mine, these things. Put them on eBay for $4,000. Hello, CJ, with the CCs.
Hey,
What do you reckon?
What?
New skid rig. No,
Is this your beast?
this is named AU Kidding.
Where did you steal? Where did you steal this thing from?
Old mate up the road. It was 12 houses up the road.
Sitting under a tree for fucking 10 years.
Yeah, it did have an orange sticker on it the other day.
Yeah.
How much do you reckon?
1,500.
Oh, Jesus, nah.
500.
A little more.
7.
No, it just makes me feel good that he said 1,500. That makes me really feel good about what I've actually paid.
Tanya actually rang me and told me.
Oh, Tanya actually cracked it. Where's that going? I'm like, I bloody told you about it the other day. What a gem. Have a look. This is going to blow your mind. I've been off the grog for 3.5 weeks.
Don't believe it.
Get on it.
It's been here. Why isn't it clean yet?
Mate, I'm cleaning it. I've just
Why
had
isn't it
14
clean
people rock up while I'm trying to do a video. I'm cleaning it. Because you're not... Well, there's enough hands now. You start doing the boot. You grab the vacuum.
I'll get the grinder.
You get... I just said that about the wheels going... The degreaser did nothing. I'll put the grinder on them. Look, let's just embark in this absolute bliss of a Australian iconic vehicle.
I just watched him wash the inside of it with the gurney. So no, he's doing it there. Then he's doing the door trims and stuff like that. He's soaked them all. Don't have speakers to be right.
It doesn't got a stereo. The speakers can get wet because look at the head unit.
Yeah, it's a good one.
They're a pretty sought after alloy.
I know, and it's missing one.
Do you have the key?
Yeah, I've got a grinder. No, I think, mate, it's even got the books. It's got the books.
Yeah, one owner.
It's got the books. Look, mate, look at that. Mate, it's got all the bloody brochures. Where's she from? Maroondah Highway, Etheridge Ford. I'm going to see if they want to buy it back.
One works.
Yeah, 209.
209,000. Hey, I've got the, look at that. It's got the logbook. 110,000 kilometres. No, she's not there yet. I'll go through all this later. But this is actually quite cool. Chris, you'd love this.
Oh, Brady's done, is it?
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh, bloody gem. Probably shouldn't do that.
Very dusty. I can see the dust
What are
coming.
you trying to do?
I'm picking all the shit off the bonnet.
Alright, stop yelling. Welcome back. Day 2 on a you kidding. Just whipped the wheel off and it's got bloody King Springs in it. It's the gift that just keeps on giving in this car. Let's have a look. Have a look at it. King Springs. Can't see if it's a Petter shock, but I think they are. Beautiful. And I've got a feeling it had a massive stereo at some stage. Look at the size of the fuse in it. Just hanging in the breeze. Shibby up. And give these brakes a bit of a wire wheel, make them look better. Get the corrosion off them. So much better. Beautiful. Happy with that. All right, from my mates at Foam Mate. I've got their wheel degreaser rim job. And they've also told me if you give them the code XYYNot Drifting, you'll get 10% off all their products. So best you go buy some awesome stuff. We'll let this sit and simmer. Hit it with the Genny. Amazing. They cleaned up bloody amazing. So I've coated the bay and all the shocks and all that, so we'll give that a bit of a go. Look at that bloody show car. It's got plenty of pads on the front too, so I was pretty happy about that. Bay next. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, bay has come up bloody minto. And now Drifto. All the pokes with no cambers. Amazing. Can you see it now? Pretty happy with that. What do you reckon? XY loses its wheels? Well, they don't look that good on that angle, do they? Now, the front wheels with the offset bloody clear everything. Oh, classic. Oh, locked for days. More locked than the XY standard. All clear. Not hitting anything. Oh well. Get me lock kit and those wheels will be on. Beautiful. Starting to piss down rain. Thanks, Melbourne. Haven't given her a limiter yet. Jesus. Don't think she's got one. She's a bloody pup, 209,000 Ks. And I did mention I've got all the books. Do love this. AU Series 2. Are you serious? Are you joking? Are you kidding? Oh, there's me roadside assist, beautiful. Bloody old Murray Chapman. Wonder if it's got the radio code in it, because I can't get it working. It's bloody got everything, guys. Love it. I'll do a proper sit down and go through all that shit in another video, I think. Alrighty, back in the shed now. It's way too cold out there to be working on AU kitting. So I've made a few calls to some friends that have helped build Xyynot, and just trying to get some parts through mates and stuff first before I start buying new or second-hand things. After a race seat, 2 harnesses, I've got cage organised by Benny at In Wonderland Fabrication. He's amazing. Possibly going to do some knuckles for me too, unless I go AU House knuckles. They've been proven to be pretty good. I'm going to keep the standard handbrake for now on and tighten it up. Cut a coil off the springs. As you saw, it's got king springs and petters. I actually just want to show you guys that you can drift a bog standard car. I'll love if I fail and it does not work. And chasing extractors and maybe sports exhaust or whatever I do, side pipe there. That's about it for now. I've spoken to a few other people that have helped with the XY. They're keen to help out with this. Spoken to some other people and they said, look, if you want to go and make this a full pro car, we are going to get behind you, and he's going to push on his people who build pretty crazy race cars. I'm not building this car to chase sponsors. It's meant to be just a get back to grassroots drifting. I don't want another car that cost a fortune to run, fix or hit. Difference is I'm not paying $500 for a door, I'm paying $20 for a door on the AU. That's what I'm trying to do. And with the standard 6, I'm not going to go through $2,000 worth of tyres every event. I'll probably go through 2, maybe 6, depends. Pump the pressure up to 80 and make them go bang and have guards splattered with all tyre stuff. So that's if I keep the silver one. If I don't get this manual one, well, that's another thing. If you've got a manual conversion, T5, T56, top loader, anything. I've been offered bloody XF T5s, but they sort of make me sick. All right, let us know if you can help out. If you can't, don't care. If you are keen to go for a ride in this weapon, except for that weapon, this will be done soon. I probably shouldn't be building the AU because my money for paint is going into the AU, but my mate's pretty busy doing big paying customers, so we'll let them do that. And we'll build something cool that we can go sideways in the meantime. And then see where it goes. Cheers for watching. Take it easy. There you go. That's AU kitting. Leave a comment if you like it. Do you like where I'm going? Another drift weapon. Why not? If this other Manuel one comes through, this will be up for sale. And it has got a lot of goodies in it. All the suspension things. But hit us up if you're keen. And yeah, follow the progress. I'll see you at the track.